The category is Zookeeper Realness.
Da 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 da. Girl. Paparating na ang mga aesthetic. Naiya naman kami sa aming ooteri. God is in the house. Hello everyone. We have arrived at the Taipei Zoo. The first part of the zoo is Miss
Formosa.
That.
Formosa.
Yung dalawa. Monkeys. They are united with their kind. Everyone, it's your people. I mean your... Oh, yeah. Oh. Jenny, what can you say about this?
This is the submissive behavior.
Very familiar.
Familiar.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Give it to the people, mama. Ooh. What are we doing, mama? Give it to the people. And she's eating her leaf. We're at breakfast. It's giving salad. Tignan mo ba? Naka-camouflage siya. Holy shit, that's amazing. Siniserve ng butterflies kay Jenny. Ay! Masyado sila malaki. What is this? Work, bitch. Do it for the vlog. Ooh! Jenny, tira mo si Joey, dali! Yeah! Kita mo ano lang kasi naka-burrow sila. Yeah. Ew. Gusto ko makita Joey. Oh my god! Joey, meron sa gilid! They're in a frenzy. Oh my god. This one right here is very chill. That's me.
Every single day I live in Tennessee, from Santa Monica. Only one just gonna go to see. She's having me. I know she's gonna see. Working for it, girl. And you can just look up on mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dali, ma'am.
Cafe lang kami.
Ha?
Yung vending machine na kape.
Touch. Oh. fringe on the runway. Yes, open it up. Nakakaano siya, fantasy siya. We are in Jurassic World. Fishies.
Oh my God.
Me growing up.
Tayo ka ulit, please. Para see.
Grabe, walang shortage ng matcha sa Taiwan. And it's with the monkeys. And this one.
Maglakad.
Yeah. A bird. Is that a bird?
Ito, mainit to, kukabura. No.
Ayun siya, oh.
Yeah.
Period queen!
Oh, it's a cute fish.
Period queen!
Ano ba natin? Say something.
Girl. People, listen. Cancelled.
Oh, cancelled.
Cancelled. Hello, people. It's 1 p.m. now. We've been here since, I think, 10. And sa sobrang laki ng zoo, we're not even 50% in. I think it's gonna take the entire day. Ang goal na makita is the capybara and red panda, and that's it. Oh, here's my friend. Me when I'm naked. Charot. Madaming tao, so I'm guessing it's maybe here. Oh fuck, that's them. Oh fuck, they're here. Not that one. Yes. Let me get up a close-up shot, everyone. Puma.
Oh my God.
Show us your face, bitch. Yeah, girl. Oh,
Tortoise yun,
no.
diba? Yes, yes.
May Sheila.
Uy, kanina leaflet din tayo. Ha? Kanina leaflet din nahulog. Nalaglag ka rin.
We're off to the gondola.
好，手脚离开车门。
Everyone, we're here at the gondola. Woohoo! Yes!
Okay.
Papasok yung plane, di ba may last rest? I always hate that kasi parang tapos sa
Oh, holy shit. Fuck. Holy shit. Holy cow. Wow. Oh.
Let's go. Work.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Or just to kick back and relax.
Wait.
Kumain kami ng stinky tofu ni Jen.
And then?
So sabi niya, gusto niya i-try
For the fun
with me. Sabi ko sa kanya, if sumakit yung chan ko, it's on him.
Sumakit na.
Kasi kakatapos
Pero
lang
ano,
namin.
fake news yung stinky tofu dito.
Kind of fake.
Kasi
Hindi mabaho?
Hindi mabaho.
Pero kumusta? How does it taste like?
Pero may hint. Pero yung sa amin, feeling ko nilasan nila yung steak.
Ano
Pero
yung
may
smell? Tapos yun
Okay.
yung may lasa.
So the thing is, because we're eating it, may hint ako. Naaalala ko yung amoy. So,
You, Jenny.
Pero ako, I like it. I kinda like it. Pero hindi ko na din naubos.
Oh, you like
Kasi
shit.
naalala ko na din yung amoy.
This,
So, di ba Joey and I have been spending so much money on Pokemon.
Mhm.
So, sabi kami nag-open ng packs and ano to para, ng Pokemon cards.
Mhm.
I got the biggest hits. One pack. I got the most expensive cards.
Oh my God, totoo ba, Jenny?
And Joey got.
Nothing. Fuck that shit.
So, sobrang nag-buwisit siya.
Grabe bullshit, wag ka na sumabay bumili lagi. Hindi, true.
Just pick ano na lang. You can just pick his favorites lang.
How much yung mga yung Jenny dating?
Depends on 120 each.
Wow,
Each.
so LTD.
Each. Kasi one pack
Aha.
ha. Merong mga ano.
One pack lang yan.
Mga Pokeball hits. Yeah. Yes. Tapos ito pa yung funny. May mga ganitong cards din.
Oo.
Merong yung favorite Pokemon ni Joey, si Morpeko, tsaka si Asubiri. That's so bad. I was like, Joey, do you want these cards? I was like, sige. Tapos they're being sold for like 100 to 150.
Oh my God. So yung value na ito all together, ROI ka?
I'll just find for isang pack. 5 PLD.
Saan mo ka nabili?
Yun lang sa card shop.
Antak pala yung episode today. Good morning, Dreamers!
Good morning.
We are... Good morning. We are on our last day. Ano gagawin natin? Nothing.
Eat shit.
Cut to the shit. Ayun na. Go up, mama. Go. Kailangan gumaganong-ganon ka habang dumadaan para sabay-sabay. Hey! Guns in the house!
Very performative si Ana. Si Jen pag may camera na.
Let us see!
Bigyan ko na lang kayo yung card.
Okay. Work.
Alam niyo ba magkano yung
Work, Jenny. Here's your shitty nugget. For the shitty person.
Okay.
Look at her. Time to flush the toilet.
Ooh.
Work, mom.
Taas mo nga.
Don't forget your pity potty.
As if naman din.
Ano?
As if naman may dumi dun sa ilalim.
I'm for the diet.
Yeah. I'm ready to be skinny.
Super fight mo na.
Super fight.
I can't eat it anymore. Hindi ko kaya.
Vic, what you got?
Chicken curry.
Ooh, kiss it. Ooh!
Kiss mo, kiss mo.
I'm gonna dare you to lick the bowl. Lick the bowl, Vic.
Ay, you kind of nasty.
Ooh. That was my nickname.
Cat fetish.
I mean, 1 week going strong or week.
Kain ka na, Ben. What's your food? To the shittiest person here. What's literally, what's this?
Ano to?
Shit.
Pasta. Meatball pasta.
Ooh, work. You shitty person. Let's go. Who's the shittiest bitch here? Period queen. Joey, can you hold? What can you say to your brother?
it's time to go down the drain.
Oh!
Ooh! It's shopping time for us. So after our lunch, naghiwalay-hiwalay na yung mga bading. It's just me and Mab searching for, I'm looking for toys. And I'm looking for shoes, then my skincare. Then I'm good. Yeah. Well, yes. Wow. We are here at Cha-Cha. Oh! Trigger. Hello. So, pangatlong retake ko na nitong VO and I promise to keep this one. So, I was saying earlier na instead of me just, playing music, I wanted to tell you more about this trip. If you guys didn't know, this is me and Rico's second time in Taiwan. So last year lang galing kami. And kahit parang wala pang 1 year since we last came here, this trip was so different from the last one. Of course, being with Joey, Jen, and Vic really transformed the idea of traveling for us. Alam nyo, it's so funny that I really love to travel, but at the same time, ayoko yung mga touristy locations. Like, I just wanted to go in a different country, but doon ako magmamall. But this time around for this trip, I really got to go dun sa mga touristy locations. And oh my God, it was like an eye-opener for me as taong laging maarte with traveling and mapili yung pinupuntahan. It really opened the idea of me going back to places I've been before. Pero this time, exploring yung different tourist locations na I didn't go kasi I felt like I was too cool to be there. And there I realized na you really get to enjoy more once you let go, or once you realize na sometimes your perspective is okay, but at the same time, if you open up to other possibilities of life, you can see things at a different perspective. Wow, naging deep. Alam nyo, nung bata ako, charot, trauma dump. And while we're at it reviewing this trip, i-review ko na rin yung mga kasama ko as a judger myself. But I just wanted to say na, oh my God, this trip was so fun at the same time relaxing. Kahit it's basically, for me, it's a huge group of people to be with in a travel. Pero it felt so relaxed, everyone was just so open. And I'm being just so real right now, pero I was low-key expecting for cat fights here and there, pero parang mas nag-aaway pa kami sa Pilipinas. Not that we fight, pero alam mo yun, mas close pa to fighting in the Philippines versus traveling. Everyone's just such of a great companion in traveling. Kaya that's why during this trip, we basically planned another trip. Unplanned kasi naman si Mother Gaga just announced her Mayhem Tour. And as we've seen on the Gagachella set on Coachella, we want to experience it live as well. So yeah, that too I'm gonna be filming. I wanna forever cement that. So kung hindi man sa member ko, I'll be cementing it here sa YouTube. So nyo yung naging podcast na yung voiceover. So yun. Going back to the vlog. So here, me and Rico are gonna be exploring lang some spots that we haven't been for this trip. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog kasi in a bit, uuwi na ang mga bading. We're so tired, we don't have money. Ang mantra na lang namin right now is #God will provide. And is he still providing? I don't think so. Type heart kung kukurutin natin sa likod to, guys.
Aray!
Look at this store. It's literally can be my house. A picture daw si Baklo. Ano? Sorry, tell it to the
Sabi ko,
people.
ang daming mga, parang mga shops dito na super ganda. Ayun, inumin na.
We're drinking milk tea. Hello everyone. Almost fell. It's night time. We're still here in Zhongshan. We're now just walking around trying to find some milk tea. May milk tea na siya. Ito na lang wala. Looking for a good milk tea. Wow! Ang ganda pala ang langit. Tang ina niya, charot. Sabi ko sa'yo, Jo, yan si Ethan. Hayaan mo na. Dito sa Hong Kong, grabe yung kakaya ng konti.
Medyo nakakaya.
Do it for the vlog.
Hindi ako magugulat kung bigla tayo lalapitan ng road.
Sabi niyo, uy ate, hindi na kayo nila mga bakla ko eh. Sabi ko, bakit tang ano mo?
Sabi mo, nilaro mo naman kami malaro. Laro kayo malaro siya.
Ha? Ganito talagang buhay dito sa Hong Kong. Joy, kamusta? Ayan.
Ate Bambi, pwede ba akong makisabay?
Naku, sabi ko na siya, huwag kang namamasukan dyan. Mapapahamak ka lang. Oh, ayan, pasalubong mo kay Tonton. Kay Mariel, nasan na? Ayan, ang tsokolate. Pauwi na ang mga gay. Papunta na ng airport. Our last few hours in Earth. We will be in heaven next. Oop. The plane will, you know. So wait, this is the regular size. This is the Gen size.
English dyan, dapat po.
Hello vlog. We're heading home. We're planning another trip as we speak. Fuck Powell is Zoom. Joey, if you're watching this. As the vlog will be ending soon, ang saya ni Rico sa clip na to, sorry, na-distract ako. I was saying, as the vlog will be ending soon, I just wanted to say thank you to the few people that are watching right now. I just want you to know that, oh my God, sobrang saya mag-film for this trip. The editing part, of course, the posting, for nagchichismisan, ano kaya? I wonder ano yung sinasabi. Yun. Anyway, fuck, I'm so distracted. I just wanted to say that I really love the process of filming and I hope you guys do the same as well. Let's all overshare, let's all document it, put it out there, you know. It may be cringe for the others, pero girl, at this point, who gives a fuck? Everything is cringe to everyone. So might as well do it the way you wanna do it. So, yeah. And if you have reached this part, leave me please any comment. Will make me so happy. So yes, thank you for joining me and my friends for this trip. Thank you for watching. Here is Joey sleeping.